Assalamualaikum and hello. In this video, we will learn the steps on how to set up Active Directory domain on Windows Server 2022. The first step is to install Active Directory Domain Services role to create a new domain or a new forest. The first step is to open Server Manager dashboard. Click on Add Roles and Features from the dashboard. Then we will see the wizard for the installation. Click on Next button. On the Select Installation Type screen, select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and click Next. At the Select Destination Server, choose the local server to install our Active Directory services in. Choose the Active Directory Domain Services box from the Server Roles page. Then, this pop-up window shows the required features for Active Directory Domain Services. Click on Add Features. Then, click on Next to continue. On the features page, the basic features required for the role are already selected by default. So, click Next button and another Next button to continue. This page shows the review of our installation selection to confirm the installation. Click Install to start the installation process. This will take a few minutes to complete the installation. After the installation is completed, click Close, then open the flag on the menu bar at the Server Manager dashboard. Then, we have to promote this server to be a domain controller. Since this is the first setup, so we have to choose Add New Forest and enter the root domain name, which is stbyte.local. This process may take few minutes, so please wait for the configuration to finish. Next, we have to enter the SRM password and make sure that both are the same password. For the NS option, leave the checkbox unchecked, then click Next. Then we have to wait for NetBIOS domain name, which is Stbyte, to appear. Then click Next. Leave the location of ADDS database as default, so click Next. Then the page shows the review of our choices. After the confirmation, click Next. Lastly, click Install, then the computer will restart, and after that, the Active Directory services will be ready. Next, we have to create organizational unit for a department. The first step is to open Server Manager and open Tools from the menu bar, then choose Active Directory Users and Computers. Right-click the domain name Stbyte on the left panel, then click New and OU. Fill in the name of the new OU, which is in this case branding, then click OK. To create a new user for the branding OU, right-click on the branding file, then click New User. Fill in the user's credentials like first name, last name, and user logon name, which will be used later on. The format for the user logon name is written in the caption. Click Next, then fill in the password for the user, then leave the user must change password at next logon checkbox tick. Click Next, then Finish. So, Alia BT Karim is successfully added as the new user to the branding OU. Next, we have to test if the user is successfully added to the domain by logging into a new user account. First, click Other Users on the bottom left of the screen. Then, enter the username or user logon name and the predefined password. User have to change or reset their password, then click Enter. The new password is successfully changed. Then click OK, and the name of the user will appear on the screen. Then we have to wait for the system to boot up. As we can see here, the system has successfully connected to the domain. So we'll see how to handle other scenarios regarding Active Directory services. First, scenarios where user forget their password. So we can reset their password using ADUC. Open Service Manager, then click Open on Active Directory users and computers. Search for the OU that the user are in, then find and right-click on the user's record. Next, choose Reset Password from the drop-down options. Then fill in the new password for the user and leave the user must change the password at next logon checkbox ticked. So the user's password has been reset successfully. Next scenario is when the user is retired. So we have to disable their account, then move their account to an archive. First, we have to open Active Directory users and computers. Search for the retired users OU on the left panel and click the user's record. In this case, the retired user is Amalina binti Faizul. Right-click on the user's account, then click on the Disable Account option. So the user's account is successfully disabled. Next, right-click on the user's record again, then click on Move option. We have to choose Retired Staff OU to archive the user's account. Then click OK. So the user's credential is successfully moved to the archive. And for the last scenario, we have to create a new account for an intern. First, we have to open Active Directory users and computers. Find and right-click on the Intern Enterprise OU, then choose New User from the drop-down option. Fill in the user's credential, like first name, last name, and the user logon name. Enter and confirm the user's password, and leave the first checkbox ticked. Click Next, then Finish. So the new user's account is successfully created.